What is Bitcoin and why should you understand it? Bitcoin is the world's first successful decentralized cryptocurrency that has gained widespread attention and adoption since its inception in 2009. This beginner's guide will provide an in-depth explanation of Bitcoin, covering what it is, how it works technically, its key benefits and issues, and why this breakthrough in decentralized digital money matters. At its core, Bitcoin is a form of digital money or currency that operates in a decentralized manner, requiring no intermediaries like banks or payment processors to facilitate transactions or issue new units. It runs on a massive peer-to-peer network of computers spread across the globe with no central authority controlling it. Bitcoin is classified as a cryptocurrency because it utilizes cryptography, advanced coding, and mathematical principles to regulate and secure its transactions and supply. The crypto refers to the computational cryptography and complex math problems that must be solved to verify Bitcoin transactions. Unlike physical cash that relies on banks and minting facilities, Bitcoin is an entirely virtual currency. It allows people to buy goods and services, store value, and exchange money online without involving any third-party financial institutions acting as intermediaries or payment processors. Bitcoin was conceived in 2008 by the pseudonymous developer Satoshi Nakamoto in a white paper detailing the framework for a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. The first Bitcoins were mined in January 2009. Nakamoto's key innovation was developing a decentralized electronic cash system secured by cryptographic proof rather than trust in a central authority like government currencies. This made Bitcoin the first viable digital currency operating without a central bank or administrator. New Bitcoins are issued to cryptocurrency miners as rewards for validating transaction data on the network. There is a finite supply capped at 21 million Bitcoins that will ever be produced. The technological breakthrough behind Bitcoin is its public distributed ledger called the blockchain. This decentralized ledger records every Bitcoin transaction in chronological order in a sequence of computational blocks. As each block is solved and added to the chain in a linear manner, it creates an irreversible record of all Bitcoin transactions. This public transaction history is downloaded, updated, and collectively verified across Bitcoin's global peer-to-peer network of mining computers. Transactions are grouped into blocks, with miners racing to be the first to solve the cryptographic puzzle that will allow the next block of transactions to be added to the chain. This open, transparent consensus mechanism, based on cryptographic proof of work rather than trust in a central authority, is what allows Bitcoin to operate without any centralized oversight or interference from third parties. To use Bitcoin and join the decentralized network, you'll need to set up a cryptocurrency wallet, a physical or virtual device that stores your secure private keys. These private keys are long strings of randomized numbers and letters that grant you access and ownership over your Bitcoin addresses and funds on the network. Your wallet stores your private keys, manages sending and receiving payments, and monitors your Bitcoin balance. Your Bitcoin wallet will also generate your public key, which serves as your Bitcoin address that you can share to receive payments from others securely on the public blockchain. With a wallet set up, you can now use this peer-to-peer network to buy and sell Bitcoins, exchange value, and pay for any goods or services with merchants who accept Bitcoin payments directly. One of Bitcoin's primary value propositions is that it is decentralized, operating on an open-source protocol outside the control or influence of any centralized authorities like governments or financial institutions. This makes Bitcoin censorship-resistant money. Additionally, Bitcoin has a programmatically fixed supply capped at 21 million coins, making it a deflationary currency not subject to policies that can devalue fiat currencies like the US dollar. Many see Bitcoin as a scarce digital asset and store of value akin to digital gold. However, Bitcoin remains experimental and highly volatile in price compared to traditional fiat currencies backed by nation-states. This price instability makes BTC less suitable currently for smaller consumer transactions, though its utility as a store of value and for larger payments continues to grow. There are ongoing debates around the environmental impact of Bitcoin mining and the potential need for future regulations. Like cash, if you lose your private keys or have them stolen, you permanently lose access to your Bitcoin funds. This has driven the development of new security methods and cold storage devices to protect cryptocurrency assets. While Bitcoin's decentralized blockchain is highly secure and virtually impossible to counterfeit, various cryptocurrency exchanges and third-party wallets acting as custodians of private keys have faced major hacks and theft over the years. This underscores the benefits of using non-custodial wallets that grant you full control over your own private keys, which equal ownership of Bitcoin funds. Hardware wallets and multi-signature wallets are newer solutions enabling higher-grade security. While a novel and experimental form of currency, Bitcoin has pioneered decentralized blockchain technology that many view as transformative for industries beyond just finance, including identity management, supply chains, real estate, and more. Bitcoin and its underlying innovation sparked further development of thousands of other cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications that continue to explore blockchain's full potential. Also, achieving mainstream adoption as an alternative to fiat currencies remains an open challenge for Bitcoin. That covers the fundamentals to understanding Bitcoin, the world's first successful decentralized cryptocurrency that operates on blockchain technology. While still an emerging asset facing challenges around regulation, energy use, and adoption, Bitcoin has demonstrated the viability of digital peer-to-peer money existing outside traditional banking systems. Whether you plan to invest in Bitcoin as a store of value, use it for transactions, or remain a skeptical observer, grasping the key innovations and inner workings of this revolutionary digital currency system is important. One thing is clear: Bitcoin has cracked open a Pandora's box for decentralized technologies.